Matapos na maganap ang aksidente sa pagkakabagsak ng Nomad 18 Air Force plane noong January 28, 2010 na ikinasawi ng siyam katao, ay naungkat na naman ang isyu ng modernisasyon sa AFP na matagal nang nakaprograma noong panahon pa ng Pangulong Fidel Valdez Ramos. Sinabi ni AFP Chief of Staff General Victor Ebrado na panahon na rin para mag-shopping ng mga cargo plane at helicopters ang pamahalaan at ituloy na ang matagal nang sinimulang modernization program.
We have actually started some negotiations for procurement of aircraft, and we are trying to get a multi-year obligational authority from government, from Congress, so that we can buy aircraft on those terms, no? In layman's terms, installment basis. But of course, the suppliers would want to have certain guarantees that they will be paid every year. No? So,
sinabi pa ni Ebrado na mas bibigyan nila ng prioridad na makabili ng cargo plane at helicopters.
At the moment, what we really need are cargo planes like the C-130s and helicopters. Not so much on maybe jets. No? At the moment, we feel that we don't really need it as much as we do need the cargo aircraft and the helicopters, the utility helicopters.
Si AFP Chief of Staff General Victor Ebrado, RH 911, Bing Formento ng DZRH Nationwide.